is our basic line. How to edit it is very simple. It has two different types of grips in it. One that's a square and one that's a rectangle. Square is changing the end point of your line. So if I wanted to move it here, I could. If I wanted to change this point, I could here. The middle grip will move the entire line without changing the angle. But what's even best about it is if I click onto that grip and press spacebar, I'm changing my editing command automatically. When I press spacebar, now it's moving. If I press spacebar again, it's rotate. If I press spacebar again, it's scaling. So the standard modifications for an object can change just by selecting your spacebar after you've selected the object. You can do the exact same thing by hitting Ctrl and the midpoint. If I have the midpoint selecting all, if I hit Ctrl, I can add an extra line to that. If I grab the midpoint, hit Ctrl again, extra point in that line, or I can hit it again and make it an arc. And so these are an arc and a line. It looks like it already converted it straight to a polyline. So those are kind of basic edits with it. Again, I'm going to draw a line, but this time I'm going to hit spacebar at the end, which will make it where I can change or move. Again, if we pay attention to the end line, we have different options for a base point. We can copy that object, we can undo, or we just exit the command all around. So even after I have selected the endpoint, hit spacebar, I can hit C to copy it. So that happens again if I hit spacebar, change the base point, and I want the base point to be the middle, I can do that as well. So it does change some of the things by using spacebar. Same things happens if I hit spacebar to move it. I'll hit spacebar again to rotate it. It has different sections in regards to baseline. I can hit the baseline being in the middle and give it 45 to rotate 45 degrees. Clicking it again, hitting midpoint, spacebar to add my rotation. I can give a reference to an angle. So if I want from the center here to be referenced to this end, I can do the exact same thing by typing in R, giving my base point,